Are you tired of skyrocketing grocery bills and questionable produce at the store? Do you dream of feeding your family fresh, organic food, but think you need acres of land to do it? Well, get ready to shatter those myths right now. Imagine plucking sun-ripened tomatoes and crisp lettuce from your own backyard, knowing exactly how it was grown. Today, I'm going to show you a game-changing system. We'll uncover the exact methods that allow you to grow a whopping 80% of your family's food right on just a quarter-acre plot. This isn't just about gardening. It's about reclaiming your food independence and nourishing your life. The secret to maximizing your harvest in a small space lies in what we call intensive gardening. This powerful approach focuses on making every square inch count, ensuring you get the absolute most from your available land. It's about smart planning, efficient planting, and continuous care. We're moving beyond traditional row gardening to a more dynamic and productive model. A cornerstone of this system involves utilizing raised beds or other ingenious space-saving techniques. Raised beds offer superior drainage, better soil control, and can extend your growing season significantly. They also make gardening physically easier, reducing bending and kneeling. Don't limit yourself to just raised beds. Consider vertical gardening, container gardening, and espalier techniques for fruit trees. Next up, we embrace the magic of companion planting, a natural alliance between different plant species. Certain plants grow better together, attracting beneficial insects while deterring pests. This creates a healthier, more resilient ecosystem in your garden without relying on chemicals. It's like having a natural bodyguard service for your vegetables. Finally, and crucially, we implement succession planting for continuous harvests. Instead of planting everything once and having a single large harvest, we stagger plantings throughout the season. As one crop finishes, another is ready to take its place, ensuring a steady supply of fresh produce. This strategy guarantees you're never without something delicious to pick. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of putting this system into action in your own backyard. When it comes to crop selection, think smart, not just big. Focus on high-yield, space-efficient plants that offer a great return on your effort. Tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants are fantastic producers, especially indeterminate varieties that keep bearing fruit. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, kale, and Swiss chard can be harvested repeatedly, making them incredibly productive in small spaces. Bush beans and pole beans are excellent protein sources and can be grown vertically or intensively. Herbs such as basil, mint, and cilantro offer continuous harvests and elevate any meal. Don't forget about fast-growing radishes, carrots, and beets. For planting strategies, proper spacing is paramount. Instead of wide rows, plant in blocks or triangles, ensuring each plant has adequate room to thrive without wasting space. Start seeds indoors to get a head start on the season, especially for crops with longer growing periods. Timing your plantings according to your local climate zones is key for optimal growth and yield. When planting, ensure your soil is rich and well amended. Healthy soil is the foundation of a productive garden. Consider square-foot gardening techniques within your raised beds to precisely plan your plant placement. For example, you can often fit 9 spinach plants in 1 square foot. Maintenance is critical for a thriving garden. Consistent watering is non-negotiable, especially during dry spells. Drip irrigation or soaker hoses can be incredibly efficient. Fertilize regularly with organic compost, worm castings, or a balanced organic liquid feed. This feeds your soil, which in turn feeds your plants. Healthy soil leads to healthy plants. For pest control, focus on prevention and organic solutions. Companion planting is your first line of defense. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of trouble. Hand-picking pests like tomato hornworms can be very effective. Introducing beneficial insects, such as ladybugs, can also help keep pest populations in check. Neem oil is another excellent organic option for many common garden pests. By committing to these practical steps, you'll see your garden transform. This isn't just about growing food, it's about cultivating a lifestyle. The benefits extend far beyond your dinner plate, creating a ripple effect throughout your entire life. Get ready to experience a revolution. First and foremost, imagine the incredible financial savings you'll achieve. Cutting down on your grocery bill means more money in your pocket for other important things. The average family can save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars annually, by growing their own produce. This system turns your garden into a money-saving asset. Then, there's the undeniable health advantage. You'll be eating fresher, more nutrient-dense food, free from pesticides and harmful chemicals. The taste of a homegrown tomato, still warm from the sun, simply cannot be replicated. You'll know exactly what's going into your body, promoting better health for you and your family. Embracing this system also significantly reduces your environmental impact. Growing your own food cuts down on food miles, packaging waste, and industrial farming practices. You're contributing to a healthier planet, one delicious harvest at a time. It's a powerful step towards a more sustainable way of living. So, are you ready to envision your future? Imagine enjoying a vibrant salad with greens you picked this morning, cooking with herbs you grew yourself, and sharing abundant, delicious meals with loved ones. It's not just a dream, it's an achievable reality. This system truly works. You have the power to create an incredibly productive garden, regardless of your space. Don't wait another season. Start planning your quarter-acre food forest today. Take that first step towards food independence. If this video has inspired you to grab your gardening gloves, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more practical gardening tips and homesteading hacks. Share your questions and your own gardening successes in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Let's grow together. Let's